Hello there and welcome to this new video. It's a bit of a rushed video, trying to put the information out there. Taos has released 4 TMs from English to 4 languages so that folks can have that handy either to train machine translation or to do translation jobs to help coping with the current crisis situation. So what has happened is that Wordfast Anywhere has decided to publish that on the website and make keys available to connect to Wordfast Pro 5 or Wordfast Pro 3. So I'm going to show you how to access that, and hopefully this will be helpful to folks around the globe. So let's get started with it. Okay, so here we are. So you will have a link in the description of the video to this page where Taos explains what's this about. Okay, so they have created those 4 TMs, okay, from crawl data, from stuff that is related to articles and news. And the selected data, as you can see here, is related to virology, epidemic, medicine, and healthcare, which one can be very helpful in the current situation. So there are 4 language pairs. They all have English as their starting point, okay? So you've got English to French, English to German, English to Italian, and English to Spanish. You can see the segment count, so they are very big. The biggest one is this one, English to Spanish, with nearly 1 million TMs, TUs, which is very good. And you can download them and use them every way you like. Please check the rules, okay? But basically it's for free, and so you can use it. And the duration of the project is until April 1st, 2021. Now, as you can see, these TMs, they are one direction only. But in Wordfast Anywhere, as you'll see, they've also been made in the reversed language pair. So instead of having only 4, you get 8 translation memories. So let's go in Wordfast Anywhere. So when you are in Wordfast Anywhere, you need to go to the File menu, TMs and Glossaries. And in here, so as you can see, I've already added a few one. But for example, if I reverse that, okay, so let's remove this one, okay, and now let's add one again. So what I need to do is locate the add button, just like this, choose TM type, and you want to select the last one, okay, this one here, add Taos, okay, so you do that, and then you select your language pair. So like I was saying, so you've got the 4 basic ones, and then you've got the reversed ones. So let's say for now I want English to French, and I want to test the connection. So that's the first thing you do. Test connection. It's good. Okay, it tells you how many public TUs are available, and then you need to click on add. And that's it. Your TM is here, and to have it selected, you need to click on active. Okay, and then you just save. All right. So now what I've done is I've checked the TM myself, and it is actually fairly good quality. And you can see that if you perform a concordance search in Wordfast Anywhere, which I did with this term here, injection, and you can have a look depending on your language pair. So I've checked it, for example, in English to French, and the quality is fairly good. And you can even get some funny entries. There's one in there, I think, yeah, it's that one. Talks about products for camels as well, so that's pretty interesting. Anyway, so as you can see, fairly good quality, and with just one word here in the concordance, I've got 51 hits, which is fairly good for this TM. Now, if I want to have a go at that in Wordfast Pro, okay, so I go to Project TM, okay, and when I'm in there, I want to click on Connect to Remote. When you're there, you get those 3 tabs, okay, and you want to use the WFA server tab because the TM is hosted on a Wordfast Anywhere server tab. So let's give it a symbolic name. All right. And now here you want to copy paste the API key here. There you go. That's there. And then you just test it. Click on test. You need to have that here in green. Connection successful. Okay. And then you can select to have it, for example, read only, which is the only thing you can do is that TM anyway, and have it selected. Then you can select if you want it primary or secondary. And you just click on OK. Wait a few seconds, and here we are. We are connected to this huge TM. And that's all there is to it. There you go. So my hope is that this will be useful. As you've seen, the TMs are very big, so that surely can be helpful. If you know someone that this could be useful to, make sure to send them the link so that they can benefit from it. If you find the video useful, please leave a like. That will push it up in YouTube results so that folks can have access to it. And if you like Wordfast Anywhere, I suggest you subscribe to this channel because there are things that are being developed at the moment that will be very, very useful, and I'll be trying to make videos explaining that in the moments to come. So make sure you're subscribed to not miss that. And I'll be seeing you in the next one. Take care and be safe.